Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly rebirth in Roblox War Tycoon. So you can progress efficiently, let's get started. Step 1 is to maximize your cash per minute, which is the CPM. Start by unlocking all starter generators to reach a CPM of $3,620, or just simply purchase all outdoor oil extractors to boost your CPM to $52,370. At this rate, your first rebirth takes about 80 minutes, but we can speed this up. Just simply go on Capture the Control Point. Capturing the control point gives you $8,000 in every 10 seconds, increasing your CPM to $100,370. This reduces the rebirth time to just 41 minutes. Or step 3 is to use game passes. This is just an optional but effective. 2 times cash, which is $400 Robux, or $399, which is the best investment for faster rebirths. 2 is the Speedy Oil Extractor. $39 Robux just simply adds 1,200 CPM dollars, which is useful early games. VIP Servers, which is cost $99 per month, prevents raids and gives exclusive access to resources like oil, barrels, and airdrops. Step 4 is the extra money making tips. Steal vehicles parts from the other players for extra cash. Join 2 times cash events. This happens to update weekends and Fridays before updates, effectively cutting rebirth time in half. By using oil extractors, capturing points, and taking advantage of the events, you can rebirth in under an hour, even faster with the game passes. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.